Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting tools ready: a hair dryer or heat gun, plastic scraper, adhesive remover, and a microfiber. You heat the sticker edges for 20-30 seconds to soften the glue. This reduces tearing and paint stress. Once warmed, lift a corner gently and peel at a low angle. This keeps the sticker from snapping and leaves most adhesive behind. If it resists, reheat rather than force, because steady, warm pressure prevents paint damage and keeps removal controlled and safe for the clear coat. Once the sticker film is off, you'll deal with residue. Apply an adhesive remover or 70% plus isopropyl alcohol to the area and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so the solvent penetrates the glue. Then, using a plastic scraper at a shallow angle and a microfiber cloth, work in overlapping strokes to lift softened adhesive. Make sure to reapply solvent on stubborn spots and avoid metal scrapers. After the residue is gone, rinse with soapy water and dry to inspect the surface closely for any leftover. To finish, you'll polish the area with a clay bar or a light polish to remove micro greases and restore smoothness. Once clean, apply wax or paint sealant to protect the clear coat from UV and contaminants. Make sure to inspect for any paint lift. If you see flaking or peeling, stop immediately and consult a professional, because continued scraping can worsen damage. If only minor micro scratches remain, a small touch-up compound can help. Otherwise, get expert help to avoid larger repair costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.